Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Kershaw 3/4 of a ton right over here with me. And we're gonna see if we can improve the action and maintain a little bit this guy. So we're gonna need a Torx bit, probably this is a number 8, right? Yeah, and here probably it's gonna be like a number 6. So let's just do that with this guy. So that's going to be a 6, and like that. So let's see. It's an interesting design. You see, you have very loose pivot, and in the back you can see this pretty weird clip with a wrench keeping in place the back of the pivot, which I assume is spinning. I'm not sure. Let's see if they Loctited. No, that's very nice. It's pretty straightforward. Disassembly here. This is a T6. It's just a little bit of blue Loctite. Nothing too crazy. For these screws on the standoffs. This is also a pretty inexpensive one. I think this was, I don't know, around $20. So it's a liner lock, steel liner lock with Teflon washers. Okay. And then you have your blade right over here, which comes already with a little bit of rust. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Or like burnt. That's interesting. Yeah, that's your blade, and this is the lock side with a smaller Teflon washer. Very, very interesting. So let's clean it up a little bit. You see, it's already scratched. Yeah, it's not like the best quality control of the mall, but I mean, guys, this was like $20. So yeah, I'm not gonna complain about that, but still, you know, it doesn't have to be like this. So that's the stop pin right here, and let's see if we can remove, maybe we can use this guy just to remove the washer like that, so we can just clean it up a little bit from the gunk and some grease that was there. Very good. All right, so this is good. I don't need to remove the liner, maybe just to give it like a little bit of a clean, because it's not the cleanest, guys. Oh, actually, it's kind of dirty. All right, good. So next up, this stop pin can go right over here. We can use a little bit, so in this case we can use maybe some heavier weight nano oil, like the 85, because it's Teflon washers. So we can just do, you know, just a little bit like that, and use the smaller for the this side, just a tiny bit, also around there, like so, and just like this for the bigger washer, and just a tiny bit over here. So this is not bearing, so we don't need like a finer one. I think this is gonna be fine. Let's see. And then the liner goes back right here, so like that. So these are see, it's not keyed in, only the stop pin is. So we need to make sure that this is aligned like that to put these screws back in. and just aligning like this. Let's see if it catches the standoff. Yes, beautiful. And this guy also in like this and in. Yeah, pretty straightforward. No, don't tighten too much like that. All right, that's good. Okay, so let's just use this T8 for the pivot, but I want to use a little bit of Loctite. This is the blue one. It's very mild. It's not like the red one that you need like heat to remove it. So just something like this and in. So this is like a pretty light Loctite. That is good just for the pivot. I like it. Okay, let's just make sure the oil goes everywhere. There's no blade play, feels a little bit tight, so let's just tighten this. Still no play. Okay, the action is not ideal. Also because I didn't put any oil on the detent ball, which we're gonna do right now. Just a little touch. Oh yeah. Now it's very nice. Yeah, there's no drop shuttiness to it, but the overall feel has been improved, I have to say. There's still some grittiness to it, but I mean, again, this is probably $20 knife made of plastic. Steel is China. Steel, unidentified, I don't know. I still have to look it up. 41446 Kai. Still a little bit gritty. And yeah, it's definitely the detent ball just rubbing up against the blade, but overall not too bad. I mean, you can open it like that, and let's see if you can spidey flick it, maybe. Nah, not really. No, not really, but yeah, like that is good. It works. So yeah, there you have it. That is how you maintain, disassemble your Kershaw 3/4 of a ton knife. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.